heaven and hell does not exist for ndị Igbo. What exists for us as a people, as an ancient people, is reincarnation, Ino Owa. We see this in our cosmology and our ancient spirituality in our ordinary nomenon. The concept of heaven and hell as the final destination for the soul, for the chi, after death, is an imported and untrue doctrine for us in Igbo. It is a foreign and, I would say, less superior concept regarding the journey of the soul, our chi, as Igbo. It's Chukandune Soku, and today I would like to welcome you to another interesting and yet engaging episode at Voice of the Sun. Today we'll be discussing heaven and hell as doctrines that have nothing to do with Igbo, at least the ancient Igbo.